Looking for the best coin counter and sorter on Amazon? Look no further than the others. This top-of-the-line coin counter is perfect for anyone looking to quickly and easily count their coins. With its user-friendly design, that is the perfect choice for anyone looking for an easy way to keep track of their coin collection. Let's get started. List number 1. Casida C200 Coin Counter, Sorter and Wrapper. The Casida C200 is an all-in-one solution for any coin handling need. The machine counts, sorts and wraps coins, 1, 5, 10, 25 and dollar coins. It recognizes coins and includes bins and plastic coin tubes for each denomination in order to facilitate and speed up the counting, sorting and wrapping process. The Casida C200 accurately processes all US coins at a speed of 300 coins per minute with a hopper capacity of 2,000 coins and a bin capacity of 900 coins. Coin tube attachments included to fill pre-formed coin wrappers automatically and easily. Simply place the coin wrappers into the tubes, press and hold, plus, to set automatically. The Casida C200 single rotary sorter is an ideal coin counter for your business. With a capacity of 200 coins and automatic shutdown after rolls are full, this machine will automatically stop when a roll is full. Or use the custom batch settings so both the coin trays and tubes can be used at the same time, making coin rolls for some denominations while other coins fill up the bins. With the easy-to-read LED screen, see the total value of coins counted and the value by denomination by pressing the report button. Using either the coin bins or coin tubes, the C200 efficiently recognizes and sorts each denomination of coin. Sorts pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters and even dollar coins. Make fast work of large volumes of coins with the C200's rapid 300 coin per minute counting pace. List number 2. Coin counters tubes and coin sorters tray. Coin sorters tray is a budget-friendly alternative to break down your coins from a jar or clip them on the wall where you can see their count and status. Perfect for sorting pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters and dollars. Makes it easy when putting penny rolls into tubes that match wrappers with an insert similar to a funnel. High-quality aluminum construction will not rust or corrode and makes it easy to sort multiple types of coins. This bundle includes 4 color-coded coin sorting trays that are made with high-quality plastic ready to sort your coins. Just stack them, pour coins into trays and shake it. This makes the wrapping process a breeze. With the strategic design of the tubes to match the wrappers, you only have to insert the coin rolls into tubes, drop coins in and then invert them and count them up. Budgetizer coin sorter and coin counter kit includes 100 assorted flat coin wrappers distributed by 25 quarters wrappers, 25 dime wrappers, 25 nickel roll and 25 penny wrappers. We ensure that our paper rolls are made high-quality craft paper so coins will be safe. Bundle includes 4 coin trays, 4 coin counter tubes and 100 coins roll wrappers. Tubes and tray are color-coded according to ABA and Federal Reserve denomination standards. This is the perfect bundle to save time and to keep you budget on track. List number 3. Casida C300 Professional USD Coin Counter. The C300 Professional USD Coin Counter is the first Casida coin wrapper that folds up, reaches under countertops, and fits into your pocket. This neat little unit accepts individual denominations and sorts them automatically into bins or tubes depending on your needs. Swap bins for coin tubes and use the Casida pre-formed coin wrappers for fast and easy rolling. The large LCD display is easy to read as it displays total coins counted, dollar amount for each denomination, and even counts down to 0 for convenience. The Casida C300 Professional USD Coin Counter is designed to be used in any environment from personal home use to institutional use. The C300 Professional Coin Counter allows for quick and easy adding or subtracting coin batches for your own personal use. It also comes equipped to automatically sort out your coin batches by dropping into a preset grouping of segments for perfect sorting, in order size and quantity. Add an optional Casida preformed wrapper portion that snaps into the bottom of the Casida and adds durability and an easy method of inserting your own custom price and barcodes in. The C300's modern and innovative design comes with magnetic technology to effortlessly slide in and out the bins and coin tubes from the machine. The C300 is quiet in operation and its compact size makes it the perfect addition to any desk. List number 4. Nadex Coin Organizer Pro Car Cup Coin Holder and Sorter. The Nadex Coin Organizer Pro is the perfect solution for any cashiers or retail stores to store and organize coins. The small size makes it fit in almost every cup holder, whether it's a large truck, family car, backseat, door holder and more. NADEX manufactures a complete line of cash and coin handling products with a variety of counters, sorters and organizers. Compact, portable and includes 100 assorted free coin wrappers, 25 wrappers each of pennies, nickels, dimes and quarters. 5 columns separate each coin denomination, holds pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, dollars and half dollars. Coin Organizer Pro gives you a mechanical advantage when it comes to sorter and organizer. It's perfect for any business or home. The Coin Organizer Pro features a counter that separates coins into each denomination, plus, it includes 25 wrappers each of pennies, nickels, dimes and quarters, making it ready for your next collection. The Nex Coin Organizer Pro is the ultimate way to keep your cash, coins, and valuables organized in your car. This makes it ideal for those who don't want to risk a mess of coins at the bottom of their cup holder or in a purse or bag. It probably would fit in a glove box, but it is intended to sit in a cup holder. When it is overfilled, it is hard to get coins out. List number 5. Nadex S540 Pro Coin Counter. The Nadex S540 is our business-grade coin counter, sorter and wrapper. It easily counts, sorts, and totals all your coins in one single operation. Counts and sorts dollar coins, quarters, nickels, dimes and pennies. Displays both count and total counted value. Sort into coin trays or directly into coin wrappers with the included coin tube attachments. One-touch batch setting with auto stop to prevent overfilling. Custom batch settings to sort into trays and into tubes simultaneously for different denominations. 48 preformed coin wrappers included to protect your coins before they reach the destination. Our S540 Pro Coin Counter features a powerful motor that effortlessly sorts and counts your coins. Press the start and stop button at any time to get a final tally. Displays both count and total counted value. Sort into coin trays or directly into coin wrappers with the included coin tube attachments. One-touch batch setting with auto stop to prevent overfilling. The S540 Pro is great for use in offices or POS systems for small businesses where counting coins can be a necessary task. Coin tube attachments included to automatically and easily fill preformed coin wrappers. Simply place the coin wrappers into the tubes, set the one-touch tube batch setting, press start, and watch them fill up. The machine will automatically stop when a roll is full. Or you can use our custom batch settings so you can use both the coin trays and tubes at the same time.